Good morning, class. So, this day, we talked about the origin of astronomy. So, human tracks the motion of celestial objects, so they knew that when to plant their crops or prepare to hunt migrating herds or to avoid getting married at an unfavorable time. So comets were considered to be mystical and were seen as a bad omens and were blamed for a variety of disasters from wars to plagues. So the Bibe's tapestry that hangs in Bibe's France shows that apprehension caused by Halley's comet in 1066 AD. So this event is preceded the defeat of King Harold by William the Conqueror. So ancient astronomers' contribution. So recorded the locations of the sun, moon, and the five visible planets, tracked the motions of heavenly bodies, and predicted their future positions. So Chinese keep accurate records of guest stars. So we have here the timeline from 80 from 80 8,000 BC. We have Warrenfield, Gothic Circle, Craniac, Megaliths, Petrie-Ifan, New Ridge Stone, Stonehenge, per-solar calendar, Chinese recorded solar eclipse, Balnyuran of Calva, Phosus stones, Babylonian astronomy, Greek astronomy, Aristarchus, Eratosthenes, Hipparchus, Julian calendar, Chinese record, Ptolemy, Titian pyramid, Mayan pyramids, Nazca culture, Ayabata, and Khamis Ongden. We have Axmal pyramid, Aldis Chinese map, Al Sofi, Karakul pyramid, Chinese observed supernova Thesaurus, Shire observation, Incan civilization, and Maraga observatory. Aztec civilization, Aldbegs observatory, Alfonsi tables, Copernicus, Tycho Brahe, Gregorian calendar, John Bayer, Hans Lippershey, Galileo, Kepler the first, Kepler first and second, Kepler third. We have Newton's reflecting telescope, Christian Newton's theory of universal gravitation, and Omer. So we have Edmund Halley, Johann Palisic, William Herschel, Nizer Pazai, uh, George Mount Wilson Observatory, Johann Gale, Hertzsprung, Albert Einstein, Clyde Tombaugh, Edwin Hubble, Sputnik, and Grote Reber, Yuri Gagarin, John Glenn, Apollo mission, Venera space probe. So in Philippine astronomy, we have Observatorio de Meteorológico de Manila, Pag-asa Astronomical Observation. And 29, we have a present sunset taking by RKU astronomy students. In 2015, Pag-asa time scale system. So in 2016, named satellite Diwata 1, Maya 1, Diwata 2, and then the space. So this is Warren Field and a Gothic circle. So Warren Field is located of a location of Warren Field location of Mesolithic calendar monument built about 8000 BCE. A Gothic circle, a Neolithic structure in Germany, discovered in 1991. The oldest known solar observatory. So yellow lines represents the direction in which the sun rays and sunset at the winter solstice, while the vertical line shows the astronomical Mediterranean. Second, we have Karnak megaliths. So, dense collection of megalith sites around the village of Cosmic Karnak in Britain. So, it is erected by the pre-Celtic people during the Neolithic period. So, three major group of stone rows, it is Menek, Kermarau, and Kerliskan. These standing stones were sign spots. So, others think that they mark a burial spot. So, gato sila ganang nganan mo. So, still others think they were astronomical in nature. We have Petrefan. So, this is an ancient manor in civil parish of Nervin, Pembrokeshire, Wales. It is a burial site. Third, we have Newgrange Tomb, located in the country Myth, Ireland, and discovered in 1699. So was definitely planned out and built to face the sunrise in midwinter mark. So, but this building that showed the ancient civilization had not only knowledge of a moment of the sun, but a deep cultural connection with the movements of the sun, moon, and stars. Stonehenge, so lies in England, alleged connection to the Druids and aliens connections. So marking are the Neolithic period. So appears to have been associated with burial from the earliest period of existence. So Sumerians and his star chart. So among the first astronomers mapping the stars into sets of constellations, many of which survived and zodiac and were also recognized by the ancient Greeks. So they were also aware of the five planets that were visible to the naked eye. So the constellations of Leo, Taurus, Scorpius, Gemini, Capricorn, and Sagittarius were invented in these zodiac constellations, also marking the path of the sun, moon, and the planets throughout the year. So this is Egypt pyramids. So the Egypt this is the Egyptian solar calendar. So Banwaran of Calva. So two of the three crane entrance passage aligned exactly with the sun's setting point on the winter solstice. This is Egypt Sodial. So the Dunberg chart is the oldest preserved chart in the world. So the stars map was recently been dated back to in 700s. Earlier was thought to date to the 900s. The map contains 1,350 stars in 13 sections. One of the most interesting features of the chart is that they use two different methods to display the stars. So one will cylindrical projection of the stars around the horizon. So fossa stones, located in Italy. The stone slabs that are set in straight lines are aligned east to west. So this is a fossa stones. It is located in Italy. So the stone slabs were set in the straight lines are aligned east to west, thus seeing the cycle of the sun. So Vajnavalkya, Indian astronomer that proposes a heliocentric concept of the universe in which Earth is spherical and the sun is at the center of the spheres. So Anasagoras suggested that the stars are actually suns, so similar to our own. So Aristotle, so it conclude that the Earth is spherical because it always casts a curved shadow when it eclipses the moon. So believe that the Earth is the center of the universe. So this Earth center view is dominated for almost 2,000 years. So the golden age of astronomy. So Greece in 600 BC to 150 AD, Greeks is purely philosophical arguments to explain natural phenomena, but employed observational data as well. So develop the basis of geometry and trigonometry to measure the sizes of the distance to the largest appearing bodies in heavens, the sun and the moon. So first people to use Greeks is the first people to use a physical model in astronomy. So beliefs of the ancient Greeks, all of the heavenly bodies except the seven appeared remains the same in relative position to another. So stars are fixed, seven wanderers. So was thought to have a circular orbit around the Earth. So ilang kwan kay kaning sun moon kwan kay nag-orbit around the Earth. Which is ang ilang gituhan is ang geocentric. So ang Earth may centered. So the Greeks held the incorrect geocentric view of the universe. So muna geocentric view. Earth was a sphere that remained motionless at the center of the universe. Moon, Sun, and the five known planets maintained circular orbits around the Earth. So Sun and Moon were perfect crystal spheres. So beyond the planets was a transparent hollow celestial sphere on which the stars are attached and traveled daily around the Earth. So some early Greeks realized the motion of the stars explains that easily by a rotating Earth, but they had that idea. So why? So why? So because Earth exhibits no sense of motion. Because Earth seems too large to movable. Mani ilang pa. Aristarchus, the first Greek to possess the heliocentric view of the universe. So sa heliocentric view, kaya ang sun may centered. So discovered the sun was many times farther than the moon, and that it was much larger than the earth. So attempted to calculate the distance of the sun and the moon by using the geometric relationships. Eratosthenes measured the earth's circumference. So observed the angles of the noonday sun into two Egyptian cities, Sin and Alexandria. So orientation of sun's rays at Saint and Alexandria in Egypt on June 22 when Eratosthenes calculated the Earth's circumference. Ano niya pag-calculate. So measuring the Earth's circumference is given two cities equals 5,000 stadia. So every one stadia is 0.1576 kilometer or 517 feet. So difference in angles is 7.2 degrees. So assumption Earth is a perfect sphere. Solution, so Earth's circumference is 39,400 kilometers. So 5,000 stadia, 1 stadia, 50, so equals 39 circum times 1 stadia to 0.5 kilometers equals 39,400 kilometers. So Eratosthenes' calculations were very close to the modern value of 4,700 kilometers. So Hipparchus, he is the greatest Greek astronomer. So best known for his star catalog. Hipparchus determined the location of almost 850 stars, which he divided in 6 groups according to their brightness. So this system is still used today. So measure the length of the year with Hipparchus measured the length of the year within the minutes of the modern value. They developed a method of predicting the times of lunar eclipse to within a few hours. So although many of Greeks' discoveries were all lost during Middle Ages, the Earth-centered view that the Greeks proposed became entrenched in Europe. So presented its finest form of Claudius Ptolemy, his geocentric outlook became known as the system. Ptolemaic system. Cassius Ptolemy presented a summary of a Greek astronomical knowledge compiled at 13-volume treatise Almagest. So Clausius developed a model of a universe that accounted for the observable motions of the celestial bodies. So Ptolemy's model. So star-studded celestial sphere made a daily trip around the motionless Earth. So the sun, moon, and planets drift along various length individual orbits. So retrograde in motion. So each planet, if watched night after the night, moves slightly eastwards among the stars. So periodically, each planet appears to stop reverse direction for a period of time and then resume at eastward motion. So retrograde motion of Mars. So because Earth has a faster orbital speed than Mars, it overtakes its neighbor. So while doing so, Mars appears to be moving backward in retrograde motion. So Ptolemy's explanation of retrograde motion. So planets move on small circles while they orbit Earth on larger circles. Through trial and error, Ptolemy discovered the right combination of circles to produce the retrograde motion observed for each planet. So the precision of Ptolemy's model is predicted planetary motion when virtually unchallenged. Until the 17th century, when Ptolemy predicted the position of the planets became out of step with with the observed position. So his model was simply recalibrated. So Aryabhatha. So first engine astronomers to predict solar and lunar eclipse by playing trigonometry to spherical geometry. So Chomsong Day Observatory in Gyeongju, Korea. This simple structure was a central opening of the roof. Tama nang naipandira. Ay murag gamay kanang central nga buo. So resembles a number of ancient observatories found around the world. So this is Al-Sufi, one of the famous nine Muslim astronomers. So Al-Sufi made the earliest recorded observation of Andromeda, the galaxy. So the Chinese recorded the sudden appearance of guest stars in 1054 AD. The scattered remains of that supernova is Crab Nebula. It is the constellation in the constellation of Taurus. So this is a Maraga Observatory built by a Persian astronomer Nazir al-Din al-Tusi. In 13,000 AD, Aztec civilization, uh, as Aztec self-named Culwa Mexica and Nahuatl, speaking people who in 15th and early 16th century ruled a large empire that is now a central and southern Mexico. The Aztecs are called from Azyan, or White Land, an allusion of their origins probably in North Mexico. So, when did the Aztec civilization begin and end? So, it flourished between 1345 and 1521 CE, and it is the greatest extent covered most of the northern Mesoamerica, as Aztec warriors were able to dominate neighboring states and permit rules such as Moctezuma II to impose Aztec ideals and religion across Mexico. So, why did the Aztecs sacrifice princes? So, human sacrifice occupied a particular important and Mesoamerica. Many of the region's cultures, including the Maya and Mexica, believe the human sacrifice nourished the gods. So, without it, the sun would cease to rise and world would end. So Olive Observatory, so located near the city of Samarkand in present-day Uzbekistan. Olive Observatory was built in 1420s by the Timurid ruler Olive and grandson emperor of Timur, the Lame, Tamerlane, known more for his scholarly pursuits than his governance skill. Beg proved unpopular as a ruler. So this is Alphonsus' table. So the last attempt of the Ptolemaic system of a practical use because of the errors accumulated as a centuries passed. So updated version of Almagest of Ptolemy took 10 years to simplify the calculation that are led of King Alfonso X and Castle Astronomy, the first set of astronomical tables prepared by the Christian Europe. So they enabled calculation of eclipses and position of the planets for any given time based on Ptolemaic theory. So which assumed that the Earth was at the center of the universe. So Nicholas Copernicus, convinced convinced by Aristarchus writing the Earth is a planet. So Nicholas Copernicus was a mathematician and astronomer who proposed that the sun is stationary in the center of the universe and the earth was revolved around it. So he proposed system that the planet orbit around the sun. So the earth is a planet which beside orbiting the sun annually also turns one daily on its own axis. And that is a very slow changes in direction of this axis account for the precision of the equinox. So, Copernican heliocentric system. Copernican model. Copernican heliocentric system is named given to the astronomical model developed by Nicolaus Copernicus and published in 1543. This model positioned the sun as at the center of the universe, so motionless, with Earth and the other planets orbiting around in its circular path. So modified by epicycles and at uniform speeds. So Nicholas Copernicus, in the 16th century, he challenged the age-old belief by developing the pioneering theory that the Earth revolves around the sun. So Copernicus published his seminal work on the revolution of the celestial spheres, a series of 6 books in 1542, the year before his death. Tycho Brahe. Brahe showed irregularities in the moon's orbit discovered. Tycho Brahe, Danish astronomers whose work in developing astronomical instruments and in measuring and fixing the position of stars paved the way of the future discoveries. So Brahe showed irregularities in the moon orbit and discovered a new star and Cassiopeia formation. Brahe invented many instruments such as Tychonian quadrant, which were widely copied and led to the invention of improved observational equipment in 1600s. Tycho Brahe hired Johannes Kepler as his assistant. So, theory of a planetary motion developed by Ptolemy. From the hypothesis of the earlier philosophers stating that the Earth lay on the center of the universe, with the sun, the moon, and known planets revolving around it, it in complicated orbits. So Copernican heliocentrism is the name given by the astronomical model developed by Nicolaus Copernicus and published in 1543. So this model's position, the sun is at the center of the universe, motionless, and the Earth and the other planets orbiting around in circular path. So modified its epicycles and speeds. So Tychonic model is a theoretical model of the universe that hypothesizes the Earth is the center of the universe. So the sun, moon, stars revolve around the Earth, and all planets within the solar system revolve around the sun. So Georgian calendar. So the Georgian calendar is the calendar used in most of the world. So it is introduced in October 1582 by Pope George 13th. So, however, nearly every 4 years is a leap year and one extra. So it is or intercalary day. So it's added on February 21, making the leap year in the Georgian calendar 366 days long. So Hans Lippershey. So Hans Lippershey, also known as Johann Lippershey or Lippershey. So was a German Dutch spectacle maker. He is commonly associated with the invention of telescope. So because he was the first one who tried to obtain the patent for it, Galileo Galilei. So he did not invented the telescope. It was Lippershey. So public, publicly defended the heliocentric model. So Galileo is the first person to apply the telescopic observation to the theoretical problem of the day the place of the Earth. So Galileo saw Venus go through complete set of phases which prove that it was revolved around the sun. Created the box Pledus Nicius, which made him famous. So the three major discoveries of Galileo. Galileo discovers moon was not perfect. Milky Way was not made of a myriad stars too faint to see with the naked eye. He revealed that the four new planets circling Jupiter, Julian moons of Jupiter. So Johannes Kepler laws of planetary motion. So Johannes Kepler law, sometimes referred to a law of ellipsis, explains that the planets are orbiting the sun in a path described as an eclipse. So Kepler laws is sometimes referred to as the law of equal areas. Describe the speed at which any given planet will move while orbiting the sun. So the speed at which the planets move through space is constantly changing. So the planet moves fastest when it is closest to the sun and slowest when it is farthest from the sun. Yet, if an imaginary line were drawn from the center of the planet to the center of the sun, the line would sweep out and the area in equal periods of time. So Isaac Newton studied optics, divine nature of gravity, and invention of calculus. So he published his book Principia in 1687 and recognized that the force of gravity decreases as the square of the distance between the object increases. From the Earth to the Moon is doubled. The gravitational pull would decrease by 2 squared, which is 4 if 3 pulled equals 9. So three laws of motion. So an object must continue in motion in straight line unless it is acted by the force. So F equals ma, and law of action reaction. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Heisey discovered the first asteroid Ceres in 1801. So Ceres had been considered a comet, a planet, an asteroid, a dwarf planet. So Italian Pizzi discovered the Ceres in January 1, 1801, while he was searching for a star. So he first believed that he discovered a comet, but he was not confident on his belief. So the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. So is a graphical tool that astronomers use to classify stars according to their luminosity, spectral type, color, temperature, and evolutionary stage. So stars in the stable phase of hydrogen burning lie along the mean sequence according to their mass. So HR diagrams are valuable because they reveal important information about the stars plotted on them. So after constructing the HR diagram for a group of stars, an astronomer makes estimates of important stellar properties, including diameter, mass, age, and evolutionary states. So in 500 BC, Babylonian astronomy. So astronomy plays a central role in Babylonian region. So the priesthood attempts to read the the will of the gods from the heavens and advises the king accordingly. He provides and strong motivation to study. Climatic condition excellent of astronomical observation. So exceptional mathematical talent, sexagesimal place value, number system. So ruin of the ziggurat of Borsippa. This is a sexagesimal number system. So sunspots were the first observed and recorded in China during the Shang dynasty. This is Sigur. The Shiro Observatory, first observatory built in medieval Islam. So in 1604, Johann Bayer introduced Johann Bayer, a lawyer. In 1604, Johann Bayer, a lawyer, amateur astronomer who studied philosophy as a university student, so published Uranometria, one of the astronomy's influential star atlases, and a work that has a lasting impact on how the celestial landscape had been perceived for 100 years. So Johann Bayer produced the most comprehensive pre-telescopic star catalog and introduced the nomenclature still in use in designating the stars visible to the naked eye. So his was also the first. He was also the first celestial atlas to represent the stars around the South Pole and to cover the entire sky. So Kepler's third law. So the squares of the orbital period of the planets is directly proportional to the cubes of semi-major axis of their orbit. So Kepler's third law implies that the period a planet to orbit the sun increases rapidly with the radius of its orbit. So in 1656, Christian Huygens, a Dutch mathematician, astronomer, and a physicist who founded the wave of theory of light, discovered the true shape of the rings of the Saturn and made original contribution to science of dynamics and study of actions and forces of the bodies. So the first reflecting telescope was built by Newton. So Newton's telescope was called the Newtonian reflector or just a Newtonian. So it is a type of reflecting telescope invented in English scientist Sir Isaac Newton, using a concave primary mirror and a flat diagonal secondary mirror. So the reflecting telescope was developed in 1668 by Newton. So in 1675, Ole Romer, the Danish astronomer, became the first person to measure the speed of light. Romer, who invented the modern thermometer, showed the temperature between two fixed points, namely the point at which the water respectively boils and freezes. So Edmund Halley was an English astronomer and a mathematician who was the first to calculate the orbit of Earth, the orbit of a comet, later named after him. So, so the Halley's comet is arguable the most famous comet. It is a periodic comet that returns Earth vicinity about 75 years, making it possible for a human to see it twice in his or her lifetime. So the last time it was was in 1986. So it was the projected return in 2061. So the comet named the English astronomer Edmund Halley, who examined the reports of comet approaching Earth in 1931, 1607, and 1682. He concluded that these three comets are actually the same, comet returning over and over again and predicted that the comet would come again in 1750. So Johannes Georg Pallis, a German astronomer who became the famous of recovering comet in 1P Halley. So former amateur astronomer living in Police near Dinsen, Saxony, Germany. He said have he said to have independently discovered Hubble's variability in 1744. More than a century of monetary on Christmas in 1758. He made the first sighting of comet Halley on his first return prediction in 1705 for 1758 to 59. While some speculate discovered the comet on with naked eye, others see used a reflecting telescope of 8 foot and focal length. So William Herschel. So a German born British astronomer and founder of a sidereal astronomy for the, for the systematic observation of the heavens. So William Herschel was the one who first professional astronomer and discovered infrared radiation. Sister, his sister Colleen helped him to develop the modern mathematical approach to astronomy. In 1771, while working alone, William discovered the planet Uranus and its own two moons, and formulated the theory of stellar evolution. Herschel, Herschel discovered the direction of solar system is moving. So Herschel was one of the first astronomers to do an extensive survey of the night sky, which not only led him to determine the shape of the Milky Way galaxy, but also create the first known map of the Milky Way placement in the sky. Messier. So Messier was a French astronomer who was the first to compile a systematic catalog of nebulae and stars clusters. So in Messier time, a nebula was term used to denote any blurry celestial light source. So Messier was a French astronomer who worked on the discovery of comets led to the compilation of catalogs to deep objects known today as the Messier catalog of nebulae and star clusters. So Johann Gale. So Johann Gale was a German astronomer who on September 23 and 1846 was the first to observe the planet Neptune. Gale joined the staff in Berlin Observatory, where he served as assistant director under the G.F. Knight from 1835 until 1851. So he studied the rings of Saturn and suggested the method, later successful, of measuring the scale of the solar system by observing the parallax of asteroids. So he looked for Neptune to request and the French astronomers. Verrier, who had computed the planet probable position for it was seen in from 1551 until 18 from 1851 until 1897. Gale was the director of Breslau Observatory. George Ellie Hill. Mountain Wilson Observatory was established for study of the sun. So the sun played its essential role in George Ellery Hill life. So much so that when he died in February 21, 1938, newspaper accolades referred to him the Wizards of the Sun. the modern Zoroaster, and the first priest of the sun. Indeed, hell always seemed happiest when its sunny climes, such as in Italy and southern California. The most content was studying our solar system stars. Hertzsprung. So Hertzsprung was a Danish astronomer who classified the types of stars by relating their color to the absolute brightness and accomplished the fundamental importance of the modern astronomy. So Hinchburg Hertzsprung-Russell diagram is a graphical tool to astronomers used to classify stars according according to the luminosity and spectral type, color, temperature, evolutionary stage. Stars in stable phase of hydrogen burning lie along the main sequence according to their mass. So Albert Einstein was a German mathematician, physicist who developed the special and the general theories of relativity. In 1921, he won the Nobel Prize of Physics for explanation to the photoelec- photoelectric effect. So Albert Einstein was a thought leader because he provided us the different perspective on the way that we look at the science and how the universe works. On why did he did so the history was relativity. Albert Einstein received the Nobel Prize for understanding and explaining the photoelectric effect. Edwin Hubble. So Edwin announced so Edwin Hubble was an American astronomer. So Edwin announced that almost galaxies appear to be moving away from us. So in fact, he found the universe was expanding. With all the galaxies moving away from each other, this phenomenon was observed as the redshift of a galaxy spectrum. Clyde Tombaugh. So American astronomers who discovered Pluto. In 1930, after the systematic search of the ninth planet instigated by the prediction of other astronomy. So Clyde Tombaugh discovered the dwarf planet Pluto in 1930. So he also discovered the number of asteroids and the minor planets. And he was one whose supporters of further research to better understanding understand UFOs unidentified flying or unidentified flying or object. So why Pluto is no longer a planet? So the International Astronomical Union, or IAU, downgrade the status of Pluto to that a dwarf planet because it did not meet the three criteria of IAU uses to define a full-size planet. Essential Pluto meets a criteria except one. It has not cleared its neighboring regions of other objects. So Robert Graeber, Groth American astronomy and radio engineer who built the first radio telescope and was largely responsible for the early development of radio astronomy, which opened the entirely new research front in the study of the universe. So a radio telescope is a simply telescope that is designed to receive radio waves from space. So one or more antennas to collect incoming radio waves. So most antennas are parabolic dishes that reflect the radio waves to a receiver. So in the same way as a curved mirror can focus visible light to a point. So first object orbit Earth launched by the Russian. So first Each series of Soviet artificial satellites, the first which launched on October 4, 1957, was the first satellite to be placed in orbit. So ever since it was a Soviet launched Sputnik in 1957. So satellites has been part of our consciousness in Russian. So the word Sputnik means traveling companion. Mhm. On October 4, was Sputnik was important. So on October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union launched the Earth's first artificial satellite, Soviet 1. As a result, the launch of Sputnik served to intensify the arms race and raise Cold War tensions. So during the 1950s, both United States and the Soviet Union were working to develop technology. So Yuri Gagarin. Yuri Gagarin was a Soviet Air Force pilot and cosmonaut who became the first human to journey into space and achieving the major milestone in space race. So his capsule Vostok 1 completed one orbit on Earth on April 1961. Yuri Gagarin was the first person to fly in space. He flight on on April 12, 1961 lasted in 108 minutes and he circled the Earth for a little more than one orbit in the Soviet Union. Soviet Union Vostok spacecraft. So following the flight, Gagarin became the cultural hero in Soviet Union. So John Glenn. John Glenn was a NASA astronaut. So he's the part of the first group of NASA astronauts. He was the first American to orbit Earth. He also became a U.S. Senator. So Apollo mission. So the program Apollo, known as Project Apollo, was the third United States human space flight program carried out by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is, which succeeded in landing the first human on Moon in 1969 to 1971. So in these six space flights, 12 people walked on Moon. So why did NASA call the mission Apollo? NASA Silverstein chose the name Apollo after the pursuing the book of mythology at the same one evening in 1960. He he said that the image Apollo riding his chariot and across the sun was appropriate to the grand scale of proposed program. So Venera space probe was the first plan was the Venera program was named to the series of space probes developed by the Soviet Union in 1961 and in 1984 to gather information about the planet Venus. Venus was the first planet ever reached with a space probe. So in 1962, Mariner 2 flew in 34,400 kilometers of space of Venus and transmitted the Earth information about its temperature and details about atmosphere, rational period, and rational period. So the orbiter of Pioneer Venus was launched on May 20, 1978. So mo siya ang makuan laboratory hapon. Sa kuan siya karon sa Philippines, karong Diwata sa Mayawan. So mo siya ang mga kuan sa satellite sa Philippines. Tong Mayawan. So I guess that's all for today class. Thank you.